Hi everyone, in this video, we'll be discussing how to create a responsive Contact Us page for your Blogger blog. We'll provide you HTML code for contact page. You have to copy it. Then you have to paste in your Blogger blog. And we'll cover how to replace the blog ID with your own Blogger ID. This video has 3 parts. In first part we will create a responsive Contact Us page by embedding HTML code and replacing Blogger ID. In second we will add Contact Us page in footer and header of our blog. In final part we will connect Contact Us page with Gmail account. To receive notification in Gmail account. Don't skip any part of the video. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a new page for your blog. To do this, log into your Blogger account by opening your web browser. Click blogger.com. Navigate to your Blogger dashboard. Click on Pages from the left-hand menu. Then, click on the New Page button. Once you've created the new page, you'll need to set it up and have to add a contact form. Click on Edit button and then HTML view. Press Enter. Give your page a title, such as Contact Us or Get in Touch. You can also add some text to the page, explaining why visitors should get in touch with you. Now open Notepad and copy this HTML code of the contact form. Select all and copy this HTML code. Paste this code in your page in processing. You can download this code from the link given in description of this video. Now, to make sure the form is linked to your blog, replace this blog ID with your own. If you don't find this ID, click anywhere in the coding. And press Ctrl+F. Search tab will open here. Type blog ID. It will be shown here. Now replace this blog ID with your own Blogger ID. To find your Blogger ID, again go to your Blogger dashboard. These numbers are your Blogger blog ID. Make sure they are 19 digits. Copy these numbers after slash. Replace the blog ID in the contact form coding with your Blogger ID. Now go to Compose View to check how your contact form will look like. Click Switch. That's it. Your contact form includes name, email address, and message. Once you've completed all the steps, click on Publish. Then Confirm. Congratulations, you now have a responsive Contact Us page for your Blogger blog. You can view your page by opening it in a new tab. That's how it will look like. In second part of our video we will show how you can add your Contact Us page in header and footer of your blog. Go to Dashboard. Then navigate to Layout section. Edit the top navigation section. Scroll down and press Add New Item. Name the page you want to add. Adding a contact page to the header and footer menu of a Blogger blog can make it easier for visitors to find and contact you. Copy the URL of the page and paste in Site URL section. Click Save. Then again press Save to update changes. Do the same for adding in footer menu. Edit the menu footer widget. Add a new item. Name it. Paste the URL of your page. Now press Save. Again, go to the preview of your blog and refresh it. You can see page is added in header and footer of your blog. Visitors will easily contact you by clicking Contact Page. In the final part of video, we will subscribe our contact page using our Gmail account, so we receive a notification if someone contacts us. It will also show us that our Contact Us page is responsive or not. If we have received the subscribed notification, then our page is responsive. Means if anyone comments or leave a message, we will receive mail in our Gmail account. To do that, open a new tab. Now log in to your Gmail account. Yes, we have received the subscription mail. Now click on this subscribe button. That's it. Now you will receive new blog comment emails for this blog. If someone will want to contact us, he will have add these details. He will have to write his name, email address. Then we'll write his message and we'll have to press send. You will receive a mail in your Gmail account in primary inbox. If you don't receive it, check it in your spam folder. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to give your visitors a way to get in touch with you easily. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you haven't yet subscribed, do smash a subscribe button so that you can follow our blogger series. We'll see you another video. Thank you for watching.